Welcome to the VIA Video Research Journal of RH1FFVMD. Jai Vasudev, Jai Satyabhama. So again I am continuing the next part of the research paper given by Mr. Prakash Gupta, and the topic already know. So well-known increase of example Eg, energy gap of GE, which is 0.24 milli-electron volt per Kelvin. Attempt to measure GE SN diodes with less SN near 4% did not reveal electroluminescence, which is consistent with the simulation of Dichostadt that indicates a direct band gap for SN constant below 11 at 8%. Here we see this is the figure 5, and it shows electric luminance spectral intensity of GE 0.9 to SN 0.08 by GE LED obtained at different temperature at fixed 50 milliampere peak current. With decreasing temperature, the emitted intensity increased considerably and the photon energy of peak emission increased. This is the figure. The optical absorption coefficient alpha was calculated based on one Rossbrock-Shockley expression for emission rate versus photon energy as used by Rocha. This coefficient alpha was matched to a conventional power law versus the difference between the photon energy and the band gap, that is alpha h nu equals to a into under bracket h nu minus Eg to the power n. The extracted band gap parameters was 0.559 electron volt, but this includes possible phonon absorption and emission. Excitations are not expected at this temperature and have energies of only a few mega electron volt. The exponent n equals to 0.5442 for our GE 0.92 SN 0.08 sample at room temperature closely matches the expected square root dependence for a direct band gap material. The extracted emission peak at 0.559 electron volt for 8% SN is in close agreement with the average of two peaks observed by Seng and Peng for similar SN content PINGE/GE 0.0922 SN 0.078 by GE double heterostructure diode. The extracted band gap energy includes the variation with a strain. The theoretical analysis using deformation potential theory indicated that the band gap energy for GE 0.9 to SN 0.08 alloys pseudomorphically grown on GE 100 change by only a 10 milli-electron volt because of strain. Significant spectral electroluminescence near the 2 micrometer wavelength has been observed from heterojunction LED of PGE 0.92 SN 0.08/NGE. Spectral intensities of the emission have been characterized with respect to both temperature and current. The power emitted from the device was calibrated and found to be 55 microwatt from a single facet at 100 Kelvin with a peak current of 100 milliampere and approximately 270 microwatt for all 4 edge facets. The evidence here shows that germanium tin alloy can be used to fabricate LED operating at mid-IR infrared wavelength and may be attractive for commercial application in IR-based digital camera and lasers. Also, these will be used in colorful LED light devices for desirable lighting effect in cinematography. जय गिरिधर गोपाल, जय यामवंती, Om Namah Shivaya. With this, I would like to in this research paper here.